I'm going now.
Some nights, Jakarta feels like it remembers everything, so I paint. When the city falls asleep, I take my spray cans and disappear beneath the flyovers, into forgotten corners, onto walls where nobody expects to find anything beautiful. And somehow, her face keeps appearing. Maybe they think I'm obsessed. Maybe I am. But the truth is, I don't paint her because I want people to remember her. I paint her because I'm afraid I'll forget what it felt like to have her in my life. Rora, different walls, different expressions, different nights. People probably wonder who she is. One afternoon, during an inter-school basketball game, she came crashing into my life. Literally, she was running toward the basket when someone bumped her. She lost her balance and fell straight into me. For a second, our faces were almost touching. We both froze. She looked shocked. I was shocked too. She apologized.
I wish that incident had never happened, so I would never have had to meet him. Him, the arrogant guy who seems to have absolutely no empathy whatsoever. He couldn't even be bothered to say, "Okay, no problem," when I apologized for accidentally bumping into him.
Selamat datang di kelas Musik SMA Pelita Negeri.
Can you sing some like song? Kenapa kamu kayak nggak suka aku?
I couldn't sleep peacefully until he finally responded to me. I hate this.